Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot, and across the road from the Spanish Town Depot is this massive CNG plant. This plant is to fuel the CNG buses in Spanish Town. That's the depot on the left, and you can see it's literally just across the road. So Jamaica, or the JUTC, is moving away from the diesel buses and towards the CNG buses. To give you an example, to fuel a diesel bus costs about $60,000. To fuel a CNG bus is $20,000. So the government is saving billions of dollars by bringing in these CNG buses, and they work. They've brought in a few at first, tested them, worked perfectly, and now they have, I think, 200 or over 200 in service, with another 100 to arrive in 2026. So there you can see one of the buses at the top of the screen at the depot to be fueled. So we are going to give you an update on this facility here. All right, guys, enjoy the tour. At the busy edge of Spanish Town, where hundreds of buses roll out each morning like steel-winged couriers, a quiet transformation is taking place. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company is building a modern compressed natural gas (CNG) plant at its Spanish Town depot, a step that signals a new chapter in Jamaica's public transport story. The project is part of a national shift towards cleaner, more efficient energy, an upgrade meant to trim fuel costs, strengthen operations, and reduce the environmental footprint of the island's largest bus fleet. The Spanish Town Depot has long been one of JUTC's most important hubs, serving as a home base for maintenance, fueling, and dispatch. For years, it relied heavily on diesel, a costly and sometimes unpredictable fuel source. Reports of losses, fuel waste, and rising expenses pushed the government to rethink how buses are powered. Compressed natural gas emerged as one of the most practical solutions, cleaner than diesel, easier on engines, and significantly cheaper to operate. The construction of the new CNG facility is designed to change the daily rhythm of the depot. The plant will allow buses to refuel on-site, eliminating the need to route vehicles to Portmore or other locations. It is built to handle more than 200 buses per day, supporting a new fleet of CNG-powered buses already delivered to Jamaica. These modern units provide lower operating costs and smoother performance, creating a more predictable and sustainable transport system for the commuting public. Beyond saving money, the Spanish Town plant also represents a commitment to modernization. It helps Jamaica move closer to global trends where public transport fleets cut emissions and embrace cleaner technologies. In many ways, the CNG plant at the Spanish Town Depot is more than a fueling site. It is a symbol of Jamaica's determination to upgrade its infrastructure, conserve resources, and build a transport network ready for the future. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.